Welcome back, gardeners. Today we're talking about pruning cherry tomato plants. While these plants typically require minimal pruning, a few simple steps can help you maintain healthier, more productive plants. Let's take a look at when and how to prune your cherry tomatoes. Unlike larger tomato varieties, cherry tomatoes don't need extensive pruning. However, removing some foliage can improve airflow, reduce the risk of disease, and help the plant focus its energy on fruit production. The most common pruning practice is to remove the suckers below the first flower cluster. These small shoots grow in the leaf axils and can divert energy from the main stem. Simply pinch or snip them off to keep your plant focused on producing more fruit. Minimal pruning keeps your cherry tomato plants compact and manageable, while still allowing them to produce abundantly. Removing just a few lower suckers improves airflow and helps prevent issues like fungal diseases. With just a little pruning, you can keep your cherry tomato plants healthy and productive. Stay tuned for more gardening tips, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more advice. Happy growing!